You're an idiot, dumb. You're stupid. Yeah?
Rock, paper, scissors, man.
Okay. Wait. Let's race.
Okay. How am I gonna beat Nos? He's so fast. I know. I'll use Octane.
If I'm gonna use Octane to beat Nos in a race, I have to first understand it. Did some research and I found that Octane is a colorless liquid that's a hydrocarbon alkane. It's usually used as fuel and sometimes as a fuel intermediate. This is gonna be sick.
Let me explain a little more about Octane. Octane is a chemical compound with the formula C8H18. And when I say octane is a hydrocarbon, I mean it's literally just a compound with carbon and hydrogen. Now I know what you're thinking. Where does this magical octane fuel come from? And that's a good question. Octane comes from drilling and refining crude oil. This creates different lengths of different hydrocarbon molecules, such as methane, propane, and octane. These molecules are then separated to produce each individual fuel. The most widespread use for octane is fueling cars. Octane is also commonly used to fuel machines such as ATVs, planes, and golf carts. But who would drive a golf cart?
Octane mainly became relevant in 1886 when a German inventor, Carl Benz, invented the first automobile powered by an internal combustion engine, which used octane as a fuel.
The reason I love octane so much is because it's compressible, which means in the engines of our cars or our ATVs, the octane is compressed under high temperature and pressure, which is then lit by a spark plug, which drives the engine and turns the wheels. When octane ignites, it partakes in a combustion reaction. This means that octane, which acts as a fuel, reacts with heat and oxygen to create carbon dioxide and water vapor. This is why your engine is so hot after driving your car. When you go to the gas station to refill your car, you'll see octane ratings such as 87, 89, 91, and 93. This basically just tells you how much octane is in your fuel. The higher octane, the better, because the more octane in your fuel, the cleaner and hotter the flame will burn, which allows your car to accelerate quicker and more effectively. The Energy Information Administration predicts that the internal combustion engine will be the dominant engine for the next several decades, which means that octane will be relevant for years to come. However, in the future, fuels with higher octane will be needed. This will lead to higher miles per gallon and better engine efficiencies. If I'm going to beat NOS, I'm going to have to use as high octane fuel as possible. This way my car is as fast and efficient as possible. All this hard work's making me thirsty. Just kidding, don't drink Octane. A little bit can cause blindness and 12 ounces will kill you. Now that I upgraded my Octane to racing fuel, I'm going to upgrade the outside of my car too. Finally finished upgrading my car and I'm ready for the big race. Here's the reveal. Now I have to go find NOS. I'm ready to race.
It wasn't on the way.
Oh, so the area under the curve is just the integral.
NOS, put that dumb book down. It's time for you and your stupid haircut to race.
You know what? You get a lot of heat with that attitude.
Bring it, bro.
I will.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Breathe my toxic fumes, sucker.
I would have won too if it wasn't for your upgraded Octane and your extensive chemistry knowledge. I want a rematch.